Hello everyone, welcome to CP Yadav Classes UGC Net Foundation course June 2024, Paper 1 as well as Paper 2 Social Work and Women's Studies। आज हम 13 दिसंबर 2023 का आंसर के डिस्कशन करेंगे। उससे पहले आपको अपना एप्लीकेशन यानी सीपी यादव क्लासेस के बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहूँगी। सीपी यादव क्लासेस लेकर आ रही है फाउंडेशन कोर्स फॉर पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2। पेपर 2 का वुमेन स्टडी काजल मैम पढ़ाएंगे बाइलिंगुअल, एंड पेपर 1 कविता मैम पढ़ाएंगे यानी मैं बाइलिंगुअल, एंड सीपी यादव सर पढ़ाएंगे सोशल वर्क का बाइलिंगुअल, एंड सोशल वर्क हिंदी पढ़ाएंगे विवेक सर एंड अमन सर। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मी एंड दिस इज आवर टेलीग्राम लिंक, इंस्टाग्राम लिंक एंड फेसबुक लिंक। प्लीज ज्वाइन टू आवर लिंक टेलीग्राम, इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक लिंक फॉर मोर डिटेल्स। अगर आप पेड कोर्सेस लेना चाहते हैं तो ये रहा हमारा एंड्रॉयड ऐप का लिंक एंड ये रहा हमारा वेबसाइट लिंक। इस लिंक को क्लिक करके आप आपके मोबाइल में सीपी यादव क्लासेस का एप्लीकेशन को इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं और उसी ऐप में आपको मिलेगा रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस, लाइव क्लासेस, पीडीएफ नोट्स, पीआईक्यू, एमसीक्यू एंड मॉक टेस्ट। For more details, please contact on this number and also you can connect with this mail ID. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन। आज हम यूजीसी नेट पेपर 1 13 दिसंबर 2023 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था उसका आंसर की को डिस्कशन करेंगे एंड लाइव क्लासेस में ये सारा क्वेश्चन को हम कंप्लीटली सॉल्व करेंगे और आपका डाउट भी क्लियर करेंगे। ओके, ये रहा हमारा डीआई का टेबल। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डीआई: if the rate of interest received by A and C is in the ratio of 2:3, then the money invested by C will get doubled in dash year। इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 4। If the difference between the interest received by E and B is rupees 4,200 and E invested his money for double the time period for which B invested his money, then the amount received by E is ऑप्शन 3 होगा इसका आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: इफ द इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड बाय एफ इज रुपीज 7,575 मोर देन द इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड बाय डी एंड द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड बाय एफ इज 2% मोर देन द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड बाय ए, देन द इंटरेस्ट रेट रिसीव्ड बाय डी इज ऑप्शन 4 होगा इसका आंसर। If the interest received by F is 20% of the sum invested by him, then how much more money as interest he would have earned if he had invested the money in compound interest? Option 2 होगा इसका आंसर। Next question: if the amount received by C is twice the money invested by him, then the amount he will receive after 2 years if he invests the same sum of money in compound interest for 2 years compounded half yearly is, इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 1। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 10,000 फॉर 3 years at 10% per annum is, ऑप्शन 1 होगा इसका आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर वॉज एसोसिएटेड विथ, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 यानी B, C and D, खालसा कॉलेज मुंबई, मिलेंट कॉलेज औरंगाबाद एंड सिद्धार्थ कॉलेज मुंबई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: कंसेप्ट ऑफ सॉल्ट ग्रेडियंट इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू स्टोर द हीट एनर्जी इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सोलर एनर्जी कलेक्टिंग सिस्टम? सोलर पॉइंट होगा इसका आंसर, ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। कान्वा इज एन ऑनलाइन टूल यूज फॉर प्रिपेयर creative content in the form of poster, infographic, presentation, etc. Edupuzzle is an online tool used for creating interactive videos. Option both statement are correct, yani option 1 is correct answer. Next question, statement 1: inductive argument can only be stronger or weaker. Statement 2: deductive argument are either invalid or valid. Yes, both statement 1 and 2 are correct, यानी option 1. If in a scheme the word father is coded as 104, how the word mother will be coded in the same scheme? आंसर होगा 83 यानी ऑप्शन 2. If you like ketchup and you also like ice cream, then you would sure like ketchup ice cream. Which fallacy is committed in this argument? Fallacy of composition. Option number 4. Next question. Arrange the following group of terms in order of increasing extension. Option 1 होगा इसका आंसर यानी wildcat, feline, mammals, vertebrate and then animal. Next question. Which of the following are the characteristic of mental development of adolescent? ऑप्शन 2 होगा इसका आंसर यानी A, B and E. In which of the following argument the region is counterbalanced by another region as per classical Indian school of logic न्याय? B and C यानी ऑप्शन 1 होगा इसका आंसर. फायर इज कोल्ड बिकॉज इट इज ए सब्सटेंस. साउंड इज इटर्नल बिकॉज इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ PAN, a type of air pollutant, is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Option 4. Next question. Statement 1. The long-term memory for information tied to a particular time and place, especially memory of the event in a person's life, is called as implicit memory. Statement 2. The knowledge that we are not conscious of recalling but that influences our behavior or thoughts without our awareness is called as episodic memory. Both statements are false. Next question. Statement 1. In cross-sectional research, a researcher studies the same population over time. Statement 2. In retrospective study, a researcher relies on people's memories and recollection of the past. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. यानी ऑप्शन नंबर 4 होगा इसका आंसर. Next question. In which approach the teacher present a puzzling situation and students solve the problem by gathering data and testing their conclusion? Inquiry learning. Option number 4. For a perfect normal distribution, the median would be equal to which of the following measures? All of these होगा इसका आंसर. Next question. Statement 1. According to UGC Regulation 2018 on plagiarism, the authorities of a higher education institute cannot take show motu notice of an act of plagiarism. Statement 2. Plagiarism means the practice of taking someone else's work or idea and passing them as one's own. Statement 4 होगा इसका आंसर ऑप्शन 4 होगा इसका आंसर यानी स्टेटमेंट 1 इज इनकरेक्ट एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. My government is a platform through which Government of India aims to encourage citizen participation towards good governance by seeking their ideas and suggestions. Statement 2. My government platform is developed by 3 of the former Flipkart executives to provide cashless seamless payment experience. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Next question. From the communication viewpoint, the Indian rhetoric in its Hindu and Buddhist form has an ethical basis. Next question. Which element of cooperative learning talks about sink and swim together? Its positive interdependence. Next question. Environmental education is needed for conservation of natural resources, knowledge of causes of pollution, knowledge of measures to prevent pollution. यानी ऑप्शन A, B, C. Next question. Which of the following are essential component of dialogic communication according to Richard Johnson? ऑप्शन 3 होगा इसका आंसर यानी C, D and E. Empathic understanding, spirit of mutual equality, positive regards for others. Next question. assertion and reason based question है. Assertion: formaldehyde widely used in plastics, wood products, insulting materials, glue, and fabric is a serious allergen. Reason: allergens are substances that activate the immune system. Both statements are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 2 होगा इसका आंसर. Next question, statement 1. Dropbox is an example of email service on the internet. Statement 2. Google Doc is an online word processor. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Next question, which formal fallacy is committed in the following argument? No politicians are idiots. Some voters are not idiots. Therefore, some voters are not politicians. Exclusive premises. Next question, statement 1. The national policy on education intend to encourage interdisciplinary research in social science. Statement 2. According to the National Policy on Education 1986, the idea of rural university was untenable. ऑप्शन 3 होगा इसका आंसर. यानी स्टेटमेंट 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Find the correct sequence of 5 missing letter which will complete the following letter series. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3. ये लाइव क्लास में इसका सोल्यूशन बता दूंगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन is studied across which of the following discipline? Linguistics, social psychology, and anthropology. Next question, an article is sold at a gain of 10%. Had it been sold for rupees 26 more, the profit would have been 15%. The cost price of the article is 520 rupees. होगा इसका आंसर यानी ऑप्शन 4. Next question, dynamic RAM is the most common type of RAM used in computer, but where absolute speed is essential, statistic RAM is the preferred technology. Statement 2. The processor memory cache is the high-speed portion of the memory and SRAM is the effective technology for the same. Yes, both statements are true. Next question, statement 1. Every communication contains element of both content and relationship. Statement 2. I-behavior provides meta-communicative cues. Yes, both statements are true. Next question, the Hindu College of Kolkata was later renamed as Presidency College, यानी option number 4. Next question, statement 1. Two categories of ozone depleting substances ODS were class 1 and class 2. Statement 2. Production of class 2 ODS ceased in 2000. Option 3 होगा इसका आंसर. यानी statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. For which of the following p-value of a statistic a null hypothesis is likely to be rejected? ऑप्शन 2 होगा इसका आंसर A and C. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन नेचुरलिस्टिक ऑब्जर्वेशन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ डिस्कॉन्टिन्यूअस recording whether a behavior occurs or not constitutes 1 or 0 sampling. Next question, which of the following fundamental principles of education are highlighted under new National Education Policy 2020? ऑप्शन 2 होगा इसका आंसर यानी B, C and D. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a circle has the diameter same as the length of the side of an equilateral triangle. What is the ratio of their respective areas? यानी ऑप्शन 2 होगा इसका आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following statements are correct with reference to organic light emitting diodes? ऑप्शन 4 होगा इसका आंसर यानी B and C. Which of the following statement A to D about internet cookies is are true? They are used to track browser use. Option 3. Next question. During which one of the following convention on biodiversity was open for signature? Rio Samiti. The paradoxical relationship between body and mind in a communication environment result in humor. This is the passage. आप पैसेज को पढ़ लेना, मैं उसका आंसर बता देती हूँ. With reference to the fourth paragraph of the passage, the meaning of the word quirk is to fill the holes. According to the passage, which of the following would an energy auditor do? ऑप्शन 4 होगा इसका आंसर, यानी बी, सी, डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पैसेज इंडिकेट्स द old appliances consumes more energy. According to the passage, double paned windows are energy efficient. Option 4 होगा इसका आंसर. Which of the following idea is not included in the passage? ऑप्शन 3 होगा इसका आंसर. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द आंसर की. अभी 1 to 50 क्वेश्चन का आंसर की मैंने बता दिया है. जब लाइव क्लास करेंगे ये सारा क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन हम डिस्कस करेंगे और आपका जो भी डाउट होगा उसको क्लियर करेंगे. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. थैंक यू.